let me delete this backup folder, and as you will see that it is now creating another the same backup folder again, and it is taking the backup of the blog. So after taking the backup of the TheBATeam.org is taken, and with is also taken. Now it is taking the backup of volvo.com, and after taking all the backups it will automatically get closed, and you will see a blog backup folder on your desktop. After opening that, you will find the separate folders according to the blogs. Hey, hello YouTube, I'm Karan from India, and in this video I'm going to show you a little batch project that I have created in taking the backup of my blog. The blog, as you know, that TheBATeam.org, and if you are a batch programmer and you have visited my blog, then you will know that it is based on the Blogger platform. So if you will go to batchprogrammers.blogspot.in, that's the initial name of the blog, and it will redirect to you that TheBATeam.org, and both are the same thing. So basically it is a Blogger platform, and I have heard from one of my friend that Google can remove any of the Blogger blogs at any time, so without even warning. So I've got a little insecurity about facing that problem. If someday Google will remove it, what will I do? So he told me to take a regular backup of the blog, and but this seems difficult to me because I need to go into the settings of the blogger.com and then select my blog, and then in the settings I have to choose update or backup the blog. So I cannot do that thing regularly, and as you know, we batch programmers, we just need to find pattern, and we can do all things automatically via this computer. So here I have created a script to automate your blogger setup. You can easily take backup of your blogs, and whenever Google will remove it, or under some unconditional circumstances, you can use it and use the backups, so there will be no data loss. So here this backup module uses these batch plugins as wget, me.show, me.hide, figlet. For these two plugins are just for beautiful layout of the output on the CMD console, the CMDVs and the bedbox. So I'm not sure if I'm using CMDVs, so let me delete it and then run the module, and I don't think it is using CMDVs. Yeah, as you will see that it is now showing a beautiful output of backup, checking the things up, and after getting that, it is closing automatically. So here we are using these much batch plugins, and if, as you know, that I have connected to internet connection, so if I'm not connected to that connection, so let me disconnect it, and when I will run this module, it will just check for internet connectivity, and if no internet is found, it will hide itself in the background and keep checking for the connection for every 30 seconds. So it is not that CPU intensive. So just let me connect the internet back, and let us wait approximate 30 seconds. So the window will automatically pop up, and it will start taking backup of your blogs. So I will tell you in a little while how to use this module for your blogs, and as you can see, it has popped back, and now it is taking backups. So today it has already taken backups, so it is saying done directly. So here is a little executable file. You just need to put it in your startup folder, as I have already done it, and it will take, as you can see, backup all their blogs, TheBATeam.org, and it is enabled. So whenever you will turn your PC on, or laptop on, so it will start automatically taking backups. So let's talk about its code. So let me open it with Sublime Text Editor, and it is a little code from the advanced batch to exe converter. So I have used it to convert this batch file into exe. So here a little description and blogger backup module. So here's a little check, I will talk about it in later. And here's the little GUI Figlet CMD. It allows you to print beautiful outputs on the CMD console like a typography function. So I didn't know knew about Figlet, so I created my own typography function. But now as we know about Figlet, so maybe I will update the typography function as well as add the Figlet into the blog. So we'll talk about these in separate video. So here is the checking internet connectivity, and here is the little loop, and we are pinging google.com for checking the internet connection. And after that, if internet is connected, then we will show the screen, but if not, then we will hide it and it will take 30 seconds timeout, and then go to main again. And after going to main again, it will do it will repeat the loop until it will take backups, and after taking the backups it will exit the program. So let's talk about how it works. So let me reset the little site settings. So if you will go into your document folder, you will find a backup blog folder. Just delete that folder. You will not find until you are setting it. So here, if I will run this exe file, let me run this exe file, and it is saying that please open notepad and write the URL of your blogger blogs one by one. Write as follows, one after the other. If you have more than one blog, then you need to write it like that. So drag and drop the text file here and press enter. So let me open notepad, and I'm writing the URL of a blog, TheBATeam.org, and with TheBATeam.com. So here are few blogs that we are controlling. That this is the batch bloggers blog, this is a mixed blog, and this is my brother's blog. So I'm taking back about all these three. So I'm going to save it on my desktop, maybe, let's say. So I'm going to name it as anything.txt. So let me close it and go to the anything.txt. Let me drag it into the cmd folder and press enter. As you can see, one file copied. And let me delete this backup folder, and as you will see that it is now creating the same backup folder again, and it is taking the backup of the blog. So after taking the backup of the TheBATeam.org is taken, and with TheBATeam.com is also taken. Now it is taking the backup of Volvo.com, and after taking all the backups, it will automatically get closed, and you will see a blog backup folder on your desktop. After opening that, you will find the separate folders according to the blogs. And if I will open it, and today is the Tuesday, 18 July. So it has taken today's backup, Tuesday. So you can directly, if in any case your blog is gone, you can create a new blog, upload this XML file, and all their posts will be back in that folder. So don't use it for any illegal purpose or copying others' content. Just use it for beneficial purposes, because I'm not responsible for any illegal action you are going to do with using this awesome utility. So now you can delete this file, anything.txt, and that's how you can take backups of your blog. So I'm going to upload this file. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up. Bye bye.